Students, in the last lecture we have solved some problems on the multiplication of matrices. In continuation of those problems, today also we are going to solve the problems on the multiplication of matrices, first multiplication of matrices, and then on the adjoint. Adjoint part जो है तो मैं तुम्हारा नंतर explain करे. First we will continue the problems on multiplication of matrices. Let us start with the problem. There is if in curve bracket 3 into matrix of 3 1 4 0 3 minus 3 minus 2 into matrix of 0 2 minus 2 3 minus 5 4. The matrix complete, the bracket complete, into the matrix of column matrix minus 1 2 is equals to, again the column matrix, there is x, y and z. We have to find x, y, z. Our question is find x, y and z. So here, what we are given in the curve bracket, it is in the curve bracket, that means the first group, this is the first group, 3 into this matrix minus 2 into the second matrix, that matrix into this matrix is equals to x, y, z. Then we have to find out the value of x, y and z. Let us try to solve this problem. So here, in the curve bracket, here 3 into this one, taking 3 inside of the matrix, we will get matrix of 3 into 3, that is 9. Then 3 into 1, that is 3. 3 into 4, which is equals to 12. 3 into 0, that is 0. 3 into 3, that is 9. And 3 into minus 3, that is equals to minus 9. What we have done? ये आपको given question है. This is our given question. We have to find out the value of x, y, z. Now in that given question we have started with this one, that is this much, multiplying 3 inside of the bracket matrix. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, 3 0 0, 3 3s are 9 and 3 into minus 3, that is minus 9, minus multiplying 2 inside of the matrix, that means the scalar multiplication, 2 into 0 0, 2 into 2 4, 2 into minus 2, that is minus 4, 2 into 3 6, 2 into minus 5 minus 10, 2 into 4 8. Multiplying 2 inside of the matrix, 2 0 0, 2 2 4, 2 minus 2 minus 4, 2 3 6, 2 minus 5 minus 10 and 2 4 are 8. The curly bracket complete into matrix of column matrix minus 1 2 is equals to column matrix x, y and z. Now first matrix minus second matrix, first matrix minus second matrix. So subtracting the two matrices, the subtraction of two matrices is here 9 minus 0, 3 minus 4, 12 minus of minus, 12 minus of minus, that is plus 4, 0 minus 6, 9 minus of minus, that is plus 4. Sorry, something is wrong. I made a mistake. 12 minus of minus 4, 0 minus 6, 9, this element, this one, 9, minus of minus, that is plus 10, minus 9, minus 9, minus of 8, that is minus 8, into matrix minus 1, 2 is equals to x, y and z. So here, we have got the elements as 9, this is equals to matrix of 9 minus 0, that is 9, 3 minus 4 is minus 1, 12 plus 4 is 16, 0 minus 6, that is minus 6, 9 plus 10, 19, this is 19, minus 9 minus 8, that is minus 17, into matrix of minus 1, 2 is equals to x, y and z. This is z. So from that matrix, from this matrix, the scalar multiplication of two matrices and the subtraction of two matrices, we have got this, finally this matrix 9 minus 1, 16 minus 6, 19 minus 7. Then the multiplication of these two matrices, this matrix into the column matrix. So the multiplication is first row, first column, first row, first column. So 9 into minus 1, that is minus 9, minus 1 into 2, that is minus 2. फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम, एक ही कॉलम है तो हर रो के साथ आपका वो कॉलम मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम 9 इंटू माइनस 1 माइनस 9, माइनस 1 इंटू 2 दैट इज माइनस 2. सेकेंड रो अगेन दिस कॉलम 16 इंटू माइनस 1 दैट इज माइनस 16, माइनस 6 इंटू 2 दैट इज माइनस 12. देन थर्ड रो द सेम कॉलम 19 इंटू माइनस 1 दैट इज माइनस 19, minus 17 into 2 that is minus 34 is equals to x, y and z. Now minus 9 minus 2. So here we will get minus 9 minus 2 minus 11, minus 16 minus 12 minus 28, minus 19 minus 34, 20, 34, 54 minus 1 that is minus 53 equals to x, y and z. According to the equality of two matrices, we know that the two matrices are equal if their corresponding elements are equal. Since here two matrices are same, equal sign between those two matrices, therefore we can directly compare the values. Therefore x equals to minus 11, y equals to minus 28 and z is equals to minus 53. Such type of problem are also important. Mostly in exam such type of problems are there. So we have got the value of x, y, z, minus 11, minus 28 and minus 53 by simply scalar multiplication and subtraction of matrices. We will solve another example on the same type so that your idea should be clear. आपका जो भी आइडिया है वो क्लियर होना चाहिए, इसलिए हम लोग और एक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेंगे सेम टाइप पे. लेट अस से द प्रॉब्लम इज if in the curve bracket 3 into matrix of 4, 1, 3, 0, minus 1, minus 3, minus 2 into matrix of 3, 2, 4, minus 6, 1, minus 3. The curve bracket complete into column matrix 1, 3, minus 2 equals to the column matrix x and y. Our question is find x, y. You have to find out the value of x and y. Same problem था जैसा पिछला problem था. In the curve bracket there are two matrices with the scalar multiplication. it is multiplied by the column matrix 1 3 minus 2 is equals to the column matrix x and y. That means ये कंप्लीट फाइंड आउट करने के बाद में आपको एक मैट्रिक्स मिलेगा, उस मैट्रिक्स को इस मैट्रिक्स के साथ इक्वेट करो. आफ्टर इक्वेटिंग द टू मैट्रिसेस you will get the value of x and y. The procedure is similar which was in the previous problem. So let us solve it. In the curve bracket, taking 3 inside of the matrix, ये 3 को मैट्रिक्स के अंदर मल्टीप्लाई करो, you get matrix of 3 into 4 12, 3 into 1 3, 3 into 3 9, 3 into 0 0, 3 into minus 1 minus 3, 3 into minus 3 that is minus 9. See here, 3 into 4 12, 3 1 3, 3 3 9, 3 0 0, 3 minus 1 minus 3, 3 minus 3 that is minus 9. Minus taking 2 inside of the matrix, 2 को फिर से अंदर ले लिया, 2 into 3 6, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 4 8, 2 into minus 6 minus 12, 2 into 1 2, 2 into minus 3 कितना होता है, 2 into minus 3 that is minus 6. The curve bracket complete into the column matrix 1 3 minus 2 is equals to the column matrix x and y. क्या किया हम लोगों ने, ये 3 को इनसाइड ले लिया, ये 2 को इनसाइड ले लिया, बाकी एज इट इज है. नाउ देयर इज दिस मैट्रिक्स माइनस दिस मैट्रिक्स, सो अभी कर्व ब्रैकेट निकल जाएगा आपका. सो मैट्रिक्स ऑफ 12 माइनस 6, देन 3 माइनस 4, देन कम्स 9 माइनस 8, then 0 minus of minus 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 plus plus 12 minus 3 minus 3 minus 2, then minus 9 minus of minus that is plus 6 into column matrix 1 3 minus 2 is equals to x and y. This element minus this one, this minus this one, 9 minus 8, ये हो गया आपका फर्स्ट रो. सेकेंड रो 0 माइनस ऑफ माइनस दैट इज प्लस 12, माइनस 3 माइनस 2 माइनस 9 माइनस ऑफ माइनस दैट इज प्लस 6. Let us simplify it. We'll get 12 minus 6 6, 12 minus 6 equals to 6. 3 minus 4 that is minus 1, 9 minus 8 that is equals to 1, 0 plus 12 12, minus 3 minus 2 minus 5, minus 9 plus 6 minus 3 into 1 3 minus 2 is equals to x and y. So इसको सिंप्लीफाई किया आपको मैं 12 minus 6 6, 3 minus 4 minus 1, 9 minus 8 1, 0 plus 12 12, minus 3 minus 2 minus 5, minus 9 plus 6 that is minus 3 into column matrix 1 3 and minus 2 1 3 minus 2 that is x and y. Now multiply this matrix into this one. So first row into first column, there is again a single column, so we have to multiply both rows with that column. 6 into 1 that is 6, minus 1 into 3 that is minus 3, then 1 into minus 2 that is minus 2. Second row into that column, 12 into 1 that is 12, minus 5 into 3 minus 15, minus 3 into minus that is minus of minus plus that is 3 into 2 is plus 6. Yeah, mostly students make here mistake. Minus into minus you always put down that is minus into minus is that is always plus, so that will be plus 6 is equals to x into y. This is the multiplication of this matrix into the column matrix 1, 3 and minus 2. Now, if we simplify it, we'll get matrix of 6 minus 3 minus 2 minus 3 minus 2 minus 5. So 6 minus 5 that is equals to 1. 12 plus 6 18. 18 minus 15 that is equals to 3 is equals to x and y, column matrix x y. So again these two matrices are equal, that means their corresponding elements are same. So the value of x equals to 1 and y equals to 3. So we have got x is 1 and y is 3. That is the solution of the given problem. So in this way you can solve the number of problems. The only difference is that the elements in the matrices will be different, and you will get either there is sometimes there are the you have to find out x, y, z, and sometimes you have to find out x and y. Now the next part is a very important part, because on this part 10 marks questions are there. I am saying in options you can attempt 10 marks questions on the next part. That is the base of the next part, that is, which is adjoint of matrix. Adjoint of matrix. Now to find out the adjoint of matrix, first we will see the complete procedure. For the complete procedure, we will start with the matrix. Let capital A equals to matrix of A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32 and A33. We have to find out the cofactors of each element. I repeat, we have to find out the cofactors of each element. How many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In all, there are 9 elements. So we have to find out the cofactors of 9 elements. And those cofactor elements are denoted by C11. C11. C11 means the corresponding position of A11. ये पोजीशन का एलिमेंट्स आएगा आपका C11. This is equals to, generally C11 means you have to write down here minus 1 raised to this 1 plus 1, that is 2. Minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1, 2 into determinant of ये रो और ये कॉलम छोड़ दो. You skip this row and this column. बाकी जो भी डिटरमिनेंट रहेगा आपका वो डिटरमिनेंट फॉर्म हो जाएगा. अभी skipping this row and this column, you get A22, this is A23, then A31, sorry, A32 and A33. ये और ये छोड़ दिया, बाकी जो भी एलिमेंट्स है वो आपको डिटरमिनेंट में ले लिया. नाउ माइनस 1 रेज़ टू 1 प्लस 1, जनरली सर ये दोनों को ऐड करना है. जिस पोजीशन का आपको चाहिए वो दोनों को ऐड करो. अगर एडिशन दोनों को मीन्स आई एम सेइंग सफिक्स दिस 1 प्लस 1 2. नाउ माइनस 1 रेज़ टू इवन नंबर इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव एंड माइनस 1 रेज़ टू ऑड नंबर इज ऑलवेज नेगेटिव. यानी ये पोजीशन आपका 1 प्लस 1 2 दिस विल बी पॉजिटिव, 1 प्लस 2 3 दिस विल बी नेगेटिव, 1 plus 3 is 4, that is even positive. This is negative. 2 plus 2 4 even positive. 2 plus 3 5 negative. 3 plus 1 4 positive. 3 plus 2 5 negative, and this will be positive. This is C11. Now C212. You have to continue. You have to find out all 9 elements. C12 is equals to, C12 means that is minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2, that is 3. Minus 1 raised to, I write here 1 plus 2. ये 1 और 2 कहाँ से आया? ये यहाँ से आया. C12 that is minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 into determinant of. अभी C12 means is ये पोजीशन. ये फर्स्ट रो और ये का निकल गया. व्हाट इज रिमेनिंग? A21 A23 A21 A23 then A31 A33 A31 A33. In the same way you have to find out all 9. Then C13, that means this position, is equals to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3 into determinant of C13 means again फर्स्ट रो गया आपका और ये लास्ट कॉलम गया. कौन से 4 एलिमेंट बाकी रहे? दिस वन एंड दिस वन. सो ये अगर 4 गए आपके तो दैट विल बी A21 A22 A31 and A32. A21 A22 A31 A32. That is C13. Then comes C13 के बाद में आएगा आपका C21. This is the cofactor of first row first column. This is the cofactor of first row second column. Cofactor of first row third column. Now cofactor of second row first column is equals to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 into determinant of minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1. C21 means this position. अब ये कौन से रो में है? सेकंड रो में. तो इसको छोड़ दो, ये पूरा छोड़ दिया और ये भी छोड़ गया. See here, I skip this one और ये फर्स्ट रो. यानी आपको क्या दिख रहा है? A12 A13 A12 एंड A13 ये छोड़ दिया हम लोगों ने और ये भी छोड़ दिया, ये सब छोड़ दिया. तो बाकी क्या रहा आपका? A12 A13 एंड A32 A33 A32 A33. This is the cofactor of C21. Now cofactor of C22 is equals to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 into determinant of. Now minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 यानी आपका फिर से सेकेंड रो गया और कौन सा गया? ये कॉलम गया, ये और ये आपका छूट गया. बराबर, ये और ये क्या मीनिंग रहेगा आपका? A11 A13 एंड A31 A33. सो दिस इज A11 A13, this is A31 and A33. Then comes C23, means this position. C23 equals to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 3 into determinant of this row and this column. Skip the second row and third column. ये और ये एलिमेंट्स गए, बाकी रह गए A11 A12 A11 A12 and then A31 A32 A31 A32. Out of 9 we have found the 6 cofactors of 6 element. 1 1 हो गया, 1 2 हो गया, 1 3 हो गया, 2 1 done, 2 2 done, 2 3 done. The remaining 3 1 3 2 and 3 3. Now for 3 1 3 2 and 3 3, right here आपको हर डिटरमिनेंट का वैल्यू बाद में एक्सपांड करके सॉल्व करना है. Then C31 is equals to minus 1 raised to 3 plus 1 into determinant of. अभी मुझे बताओ C31 का क्या आएगा आपका? C31 कौन से रो में? थर्ड रो में. कौन से कॉलम में? फर्स्ट कॉलम में. तो थर्ड रो और फर्स्ट कॉलम को छोड़ दो. थर्ड रो मीन्स ये रो और फर्स्ट कॉलम छूट गया आपका. ये कॉलम में भी छूट गया पूरा, सॉरी ये रो पूरा छूट गया और ये कॉलम भी छोड़ दो. बाकी क्या रहा? ये और ये छूट गया. मीन्स A12 A13 A22 A23. दिस इज A12 A13 then A22 and A23. That is C31. Then the cofactor of C32 is equals to minus 1 raised to 3 plus 2 into determinant of. A32 कौन से रो में? It is in the third row. In which column? Second column. तो यू लीव दिस वन, इसको छोड़ दिया हम लोगों ने और इसको भी छोड़ दिया, तो बाकी रह गया आपका ये और ये गया 1 1 1 3 2 1 2 3, A11 A13 A21 and A23. Then the last one C33 is equals to minus 1 raised to 3 plus 3 into determinant of C33, that again lies in the third row. लेकिन थर्ड रो और थर्ड कॉलम यानी ये भी निकल गया आपका, ये पूरा निकल गया आपका. व्हाट इज रिमेनिंग, ये और ये छोड़ गया आप लोगों ने, ये दिस एंड दिस गॉन. द रिमेनिंग A11 A12 A21 A22 A11 A12 A21 and A22. सो इन दिस वे अब सब लिखने के बाद हर एक का वैल्यू आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. After simplifying the 2 by 2 determinant, you will get all 9 values of cofactors of the corresponding elements, corresponding positions. Once you get the values of C1, C2, C3, you have to put down it as matrix of cofactors. Matrix of this CO factor is equals to matrix of. अब आपको जो एलिमेंट्स मिलने वाले हैं वो पूरा उसी ऑर्डर में लिखो. दिस फर्स्ट एलिमेंट इज C11, दिस इज C12, दिस इज C13, देन C21, C22, C23, C31, C32 and C33. We have found all 9 elements in this order. पहले 1 1 1 2 1 3, then 2 1 2 2 2 3, then 3 1 3 2 and 3 3. So once you get the matrix of cofactors, from this matrix we'll get the adjoint of the given matrix A. Now adjoint of matrix A, adjoint of matrix A is transpose of cofactor matrix. Cofactor matrix. Transpose of cofactor. Adjoint of matrix A is a transpose of cofactor matrix. That means you have to find out the transpose of this matrix. We have to find out the transpose of this matrix, and that transpose of the matrix means, therefore, adjoint of A, it is also denoted by ADJ of A. Adjoint of A, that means ADJ of A is equals to the transpose of this matrix. अब transpose यानी क्या है? The first row that gets converted into the first column. So C11, C12, C13. First row into first column. Second row into second column. That is C21, C22 and C23. Third row into third column, that is C31, C32 and C33. So that is adjoint of the matrix A. In short, I repeat again, whatever the matrix A is given, first you have to find out the cofactors of each element starting from C11, including the sign. C11 means minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1. Up to the last element, that is C33, that means minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into the determinant. Once you get the values of C11 up to C33, put those values in the matrix of cofactors like this one. After getting the matrix of cofactor, find out the transpose of cofactor. ये matrix का transpose find out करो, you will get the adjoint of matrix A. And on this method, we have to solve the inverse as well as the linear equations. We will solve the problem on the adjoint of. Now we will solve the problem on adjoint of matrix. The question is, find the adjoint of adjoint of matrix of one, two, three, 2, 4, 5, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 5 and 3, 5, 6. So we'll get now. We start with the C11. C11 is equals to. Before that, let us say let A equals to 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 5, 3, 5, 6. Then C11 is equals to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into determinant of. Now this is the C11. इसको आपको छोड़ देना है, ये छोड़ देना है. So remaining 4, 5 and 5, 6. The remaining are 4, 5 and 5, 6. So this is 4, 5 and 5, 6. Let us simplify it. You get minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 means that is positive. You get this is 4 into 6. 4 into 6, 24 minus 5 into 5, 25, which is equals to minus 1. Then C12 is equals to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 into determinant of. ये गया और ये गया. Remaining 2, 5, 3, 6. This is 2, 5 and 3, 6. So it is equals to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 means minus 1 raised to 3, and that is minus. Minus in bracket 2 into 6, that is 12. 5 into 3 minus 15 is equals to minus 12 minus 15, that is minus 3. So minus minus minus, that is 3. I repeat it here. Minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1, 2, and minus 1 raised to 2 is positive. Minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2, 3, and minus 1 raised to odd number is negative. You have to remember that minus 1 raised to even number is positive, and minus 1 raised to odd number is equals to negative. So third one, C13 is equals to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3. Now 1 plus 3 is even, so that will be positive into determinant of. C13 means the position of 3. ये और ये छोड़ दिया, remaining 2, 4 and 3, 5. Determinant of 2, 4, 3, 5 is equals to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3, that means plus. So it is plus in bracket 5 into 2, that is 10, minus 4 into 3, 12, and that is equals to 10 minus 12, which is equals to minus 2. Then comes C21 is equals to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 into determinant of. C21 means this position. 21 ये position है आपका, ये बीच वाला रो और फर्स्ट कॉलम छूट गया. That means the remaining are 2, 3 and 5, 6. 2, 3, 5, 6, which is equals to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is odd. Minus 1 raised to odd, that is minus in bracket 2 into 6, that is 12, minus 15. Two, 3, 5, 6. Okay. So 12 minus 15 and 12 minus 15, that means minus 3. So this is minus of minus 3, which is equals to 3. Then C22 is equals to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 into determinant of. C22 means this one. ये और ये आपका क्या है? Remaining are 1, 3 and 3, 6. See here. 1, 3, 3, 6. 1, 3, 3, 6. That is equals to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 means positive. This is positive of 1 into 6. 6 minus 3 into 3, that is 9. 6 minus 9, which is equals to minus 3. Then comes C23. C23 equals to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 3 into determinant of C23 means ये 5 का पोजीशन, ये और ये निकल गया, remaining 2 4 and 3 5. So this is 2 4 and 3 5. One minute, something is wrong. C23 means this and this has gone. Remaining are 1 2 and 3 5. Remaining are 1 2, not 2 4 and 3 5. C2 3 and a 5. Second row or third column gaya 1 2 and 3 5. So it is 1 2 and 3 5. So that is equals to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 3 is 5. That is odd number, that means minus in bracket 1 into 5 is 5 minus 3 into 2 is 6. So it is minus of minus 1, minus of minus 1, that is equals to 1. So the elements are right here. We have got, हम लोगों को मिला है C11, C11 we have got, that is equals to minus 1. C12 C11 we have got, that is equals to minus 1. C12 हम लोगों को मिला है 3. C13 that we have got minus 2. Then वन टू टू वन टू थ्री हो गया. अभी C31 इक्वल्स टू minus 1 raised to 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 into determinant of C31 means this one. ये रो गया और ये कॉलम गया. The remaining are 2 3 4 5. 2 3 determinant of 2 3 4 5, which is equals to minus 1 raised to 4. That means positive. In bracket 2 into 5 is 10 minus 4 into 3 is 12. That is equals to minus 2. Then C32 is equals to minus 1 raised to 3 plus 2, that is 3 plus 2 into determinant of C32 यानी 5 का पोजीशन, ये और ये गया, this and this has gone, that means 1 3 2 5. Determinant of 1 3 2 5 minus 1 raised to 3 plus 2 5, that is any odd number है, that is equals to minus in bracket 1 into 5 5 minus 2 into 3 6, which is equals to minus of 5 minus 6 minus 1, and that is equals to 1. Then last one C33 equals to minus 1 raised to 3 plus 3 into determinant of C33 means 6 का पोजीशन, 6 का पोजीशन ये और ये गया. रिमेनिंग आर 1 2 and 2 4. 1 2 2 4. That is equals to minus 1 raised to 6 is 1. That means positive. 1 into 4 4 minus 2 into 2 4. 1 into 4 minus 4, that is equals to 0. So C31 C32 C33 हम लोग को मिला है. Now we will write the matrix of cofactors. So matrix of cofactors is equals to, since this is the first problem, we write down it in the form of C11 C12 C13 C21 C22 C23 C31 C32 and C33. यहाँ पे आपका C21 मिला है हम लोगों को 3, C22 we have got -3, C23 that we have got 1. So it is equals to matrix of, now I write down the values. C11 का value -1, C12 का value 3, C13 we have got -2, C21 that is 3, C22 -3, C23 that is 1, C31 that is -2, C32 1 and C33 0. This is matrix of cofactors. I repeat again. जो वैल्यूज हम लोगों ने C11 अप टू C33 निकाला है वो सब वैल्यूज यहाँ पे सिक्वेंशियली लिखा है यहाँ पे. Then we have to find out the adjoint. What is adjoint? Adjoint is nothing but the transpose of cofactors. So therefore adjoint of A is equals to transpose of cofactors. Transpose of cofactors, which is equals to now transpose of this matrix. Matrix transpose of this matrix. That means we'll get first row will get converted into first column. That is -1, 3, -2. Then second row into second column 3 -3 1. That is 3 -3 1. Third row into third column that is -2, 1 and 0. So this is the adjoint of matrix A. If you observe both the matrix cofactor and adjoint, they are same.